Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for workflow automation in 2026. So if you want to save time, automate repetitive tasks, or improve productivity using AI, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll see the main chat dashboard where you can create prompts and automate tasks. Before setting things up, it helps to understand what workflow automation actually means. Basically, Claude AI can help automate writing emails, summarizing meetings, organizing notes, generating reports, creating content drafts, and even managing repetitive business tasks. Now start by creating clear prompts. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize customer feedback, generate weekly reports, or create task lists automatically. So the more detailed your instructions are, the better the AI output becomes. You can also upload documents, spreadsheets, or meeting notes into Claude AI. Then ask it to extract important information, organize data, or generate summaries automatically. This is really useful for office work and team collaboration. In many workflows, people combine Claude AI with tools like Notion, Slack, or automation platforms such as Zapier. This allows tasks and information to move automatically between apps. Another useful trick is creating reusable templates inside Claude. You can save prompts for emails, project updates, client responses, or content generation. This speeds up repetitive work and keeps your workflow consistent. Finally, always review the AI-generated output before using it in real projects. So while Claude can automate a lot of work, checking accuracy and making small edits helps keep everything professional and reliable. And that's how to use Claude AI for workflow automation in 2026. Once you build the right prompts and combine them with productivity tools, you can automate repetitive tasks and save a huge amount of time every day. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more AI tutorials and automation tips. Hey everyone, in